Okay, in your drawer here, you should have a couple of tools. You might have a smaller one like this. I usually use this for the needle screw. I need to replace the needle and stuff. We're gonna grab these two. Alright, so the cleaning machine, I'm gonna go ahead and lift this presser foot out of the way. And then I'm going to, this can be a little bit awkward space-wise. So for cleaning, you're gonna go ahead and take your bobbin case out. Open this window, take these screws out right here. You're going to loosen them. These are self-oiling machines, so you don't have to worry about that. So the main thing you just need to do is take off your presser foot. I just keep the towel there in case there's any oil. I'm going to loosen the screw right here and then lift it up, and you have to kind of push the knee bar as well to get it all the way up. Pull that off. I'm also going to go ahead and take off the needle so I don't stab myself while I'm working on it. Okay, and you're going to lift the stitch plate off. And over here, this is where you're going to find a lot of oil. So you can wipe that down, get all the grime off of it. Okay, then you're going to take the brush, and you can see all that gunk in there. You're going to kind of loosen that up. And that's all you have to do right there. So I'm going to go ahead and put this back on. Screw that back into place. And then slide that back. I'll put my bobbin case back in. There we go. The easiest way to do this is to slide it this way first, and then push the knee bar, just lift it up, and then I'm going to drop it down so it holds it in place while I screw it. That's snug. Okay. And then the needle, when you insert the needle, there's a thread guide right here. It's a groove that you can slide your nail into right there, versus on the other side, the back side, there's kind of this indent into the shape of the needle. So that's the back of the needle, the groove is the front right here. So I'm going to put the groove facing to the left side and kind of this like cut out part of the shaft towards the back. And screw that into place, and I make sure I insert the needle as high as it can go. Tighten it like that. So it goes down through here, goes there, goes to this point, up to the thread guide, through this, down here, here, and here. As far as cleaning, the rest of cleaning goes, you're just going to get in here and brush around your machine. And there again, just make sure that there's no oil anywhere around where you're doing sewing. That's it. For oiling the machine, all you have to do is go ahead and push this machine back like that. They're heavy, so just be careful. And then down here, you can see how the oil gets pulled up through here, pulled through that tube, and goes up through the top of the machine. And then down here, you'll see there's a high and low, so you just want to make sure that your oil never gets below the low point. And if it does, make sure that you get the correct oil for your machine, and you just go ahead and pour in whatever needed until it reaches the high mark.